Welcome back to 10 Lines Story channel. Today topic is 10 lines on If I Were a Bird. I would love to fly high in the sky. I would like to see the sun drawing in the sea. I would love to jump and touch the sea. I could see the whole city from the high. I could see my school and students playing in ground from the top. If you find this is good, then please do like, share and subscribe 10 Line Story channel to see English and Hindi videos. Let's move to the next point. I would have beautiful and colorful wings. I would be travel around the world without traffic. I would be free from studies and future goals. I could able to breathe fresh air and feel the beautiful nature. All above are my mere imagination. Save the nature for all creatures. So keep watching 10 Line Story channel. See you next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.